everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1987 Chevrolet Silverado killer truck, guys. Bought this truck down in Tennessee. Absolutely love it, man. This thing's just got a killer look to it. 4-inch rough country lift, brand new Mickey Thompson aluminum wheels with Toyo Open Country, rubber all the way around it. Great truck, man. It's actually factory color combination. Truck's been repainted, and while it was an original gray metallic, he said this is actually a Honda color. And he put a little touch-up stick in there too, so that goes with the truck. The guy bought the truck. I guess he's only owned the truck a couple of years. Everything been done within the last few years. His buddy owned it before him. I think he's the one that had it repainted, and then this guy got it, put the wheels and tires on it. He's done a bunch of stuff to it. But killer truck. I wish we had some sunshine so you can see that pretty metallic paint on it. But like I say, just a killer truck. Clean CarFax, no accident history. It's been a Tennessee truck its whole life. Good, solid, straight body. Again, recent repaint within the last few years. You can see he's put all new grille and headlights in it. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this truck. This truck is killer. New front bumper. Got the front spoiler. Again, pretty dark gray metallic paint. And again, it was an original gray truck. He just liked this color a little better. Glass is good. It's got the tinted side glass, got the dual mirrors. Nice truck, man. It's all rhino lined, which makes the bed very usable, which is nice. We'll lift that mat up. It's got a rubber mat in there, but it's all rhino lined underneath. Of course, 87's the first year for the fuel injection. Sorry, you're gonna see little water spots. We washed it real quick. Got a little dirty, got some rain, so we had to wash it real quick. Truck sits good, man. It drives down the road great. You can see it's got the trailering package, got a good sound. I think it's Flowmaster dual exhaust. You can see the original Chevrolet. That's got faded a little bit. This stuff I think is original too. I think yes, some of the stuff's original and some stuff on the sides is new. I love stuff like this, man. This stuff just does it for me, man. My wife's gonna be in trouble one day. When I retire, I'll be hard to handle. You see new springs, all new rough country lift kit, dual tanks, they both work. Ooh, it's a little chilly today. That wind is rough. Of course, front disc brakes. You see it's nice and clean in there. What a good looking truck, man. Factory 5.7, fuel injected. Now he has redone the top half of the motor. He said that was just done. You can see it's got a billet air cleaner, and it's of course a Vortec engine with a center bolt, center bolt valve cover engine. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air blows cold. You can see the factory jack is still in there. There's your original paint on the firewall. So you can see it's original gray truck. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. I can tell by in here, this has just always been a good, solid old truck that somebody's really taken care of. Killer set of wheels and tires. You can see he's done some upgrades on the steering in there. Love this stuff, man. This stuff's just fun to drive. All new interior. This stuff's all brand new. You can see it's got the door seams are nice and clean on it. He just redid all this stuff. Custom speakers in the back here. Custom seat. These are cool with the cup holders in it. This stuff's all new. Tilt column, stock steering wheel, cruise control. Showing 95,000. I think he said that's supposed to be original. It's got a Retrosounds radio in it. Dash cap's all new. Again, your switch for your fuel tanks works. They work, sorry. Original owner's manuals are in there. Nice and clean underneath. Again, it's stock rear. I think it's a 3. Again, that's just, we missed that going around it, guys. It's a 373 rear gear. Again, it's all spackle coated in, or not spackle coated, rhino lined in here, which is nice because that makes it very usable. Wicked cool truck, man. Again, clean underneath. Good, solid Southern truck, man. Yeah, if I ever retire, man, my wife will have a hard time. I'd like to keep everything, man. This will just be a fun truck to drive. These are great, man. I'm a big fan of that seat. I'm a coffee drinker, so I like to cruise in the morning and put my coffee cup in there and cruise away. Yeah, fuel injected, that's nice. It's the first year for that. Good looking truck right there. Good looking truck. All your gauges are functional. Truck's holding good oil pressure. Doors open and close real nice. Radio works, first blower motor works, AC blows cold. Killer truck right there. Okay guys, make sure you keep track of this. You can do that through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Check us out on TikTok.